Hello guys, I'm KristinCena. Welcome to my channel, and for today's video I'll be giving a review for the Acid Duo 2% Mild Gel Cleanser and also a Korean skincare mini haul. I will be focusing more on the Acid Duo Gel Cleanser. Before I bought this product, I researched about it, and now we will see if this is great for you and me. We will see the actual product, and also we have a really short video. I'm gonna show you the things that I bought from nudeglow.com. So these are all Korean skincare, and I can't wait to show you guys. So I have here the box with all the products. I can't remember, I think I got 6 products here, but some of the products that I bought I can't remember now. Oh wow, this is literally huge. Yeah, this is the Acid Duo 2% Mild Gel Cleanser. I really love this packaging, guys. This product is from the brand by Wishtrend. This brand has a name in Korea. They are popular. They have their own YouTube channel as well as other social media accounts. I guess all brands have. So now I understand why it's so long. It's because of the pump. The name of this product is really long, but what I liked about it is it really tells you what's in the product. The Acid Duo, it's because it has 2 acids, like main acids in this product. First is caprylyl salicylic acid, which is an LHA, and then we have gluconolactone, which is a PHA. Now it says 2% because each of this acid actually consists of 1% of all the liquid that is in here, and this is a gel cleanser. So gel cleansers are really good for all skin types, most especially if you have sensitive skin, combination skin, or oily skin. I am leaning into combination to oily skin. So as you know, this has LHA and PHA, and these 2 combined really gives an extra anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Now when you say the skincare product has anti-inflammatory, it means that it is really good for people out there who has pimples, acne, and usually salicylic acid is really good for decongesting your skin. It clears out impurities as well as exfoliating. Now before we buy this product or before we use it, we must know the do's and don'ts of this product. Now let us go first with the do's. So do use this with non-acidic cleanser, obviously, and also use this with other hydrating and moisturizing product. Also, you can use other products that has vitamin, just like vitamin E. So that would really work so well with this product. And now the most important thing that you should know is the don't. Guys, please do not use this with other product that has high level of vitamin C. Why? It's because vitamin C is really acidic, and you don't want to overdo it. You don't want to use acid and another acid. It can cause so much irritation in your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. Do not use this with powder wash products and exfoliators. Now we have 2 kinds of exfoliators. We have chemical exfoliator and physical exfoliator. So for the chemical exfoliator, these are the other acids, the BHA, AHA, glycolic acid, and that. For example of physical exfoliator, these are the cleansing brush, some facial sponge, as well as cleansers that has beads in it. Anything exfoliator. Now let's get to try this product. I am here at the kitchen sink. I cannot do it in the bathroom because it's just hard to set up. Is the lighting alright, guys? I actually just set this up and it's my first time to do this. So we are actually gonna test and how clean it will be if it is moisturizing. Before I use this, of course, let us remove the makeup. Half of my face I'm gonna use with micellar water, and the other half will be micellar water, a cleansing oil, a cleansing balm, and this one. I've already removed my makeup, and as you can see, there's a lot of drama going on with my face. It's really annoying, but on the bright side, we'll see if my skin would really react to it. It doesn't have smell, and it has obviously a gel consistency and is clear. So let me just work up a lather before I put it on my face. Let's make a foam. Whew. It's kind of intense. Oh wow. Honestly, I can tell you guys that I can feel a tingling sensation on my face, and it's probably gonna need some time before my face gets used to this feeling. It's like I need to wash this off. This is the good thing of trying on the product. You can really see what it really is. Like, I don't think this product is good if you're having breakouts, because this part here, most especially where my pimples are, there's a tingling there. It's kind of almost itchy. I don't know how long it's gonna take for it to subside. This claims to be cleansing as well as non-drying. So now I'm gonna check if there's still makeup residue left on my skin. So this was the one with the micellar water. There's none. There's none too. So it's really good. It really cleansed my face. This is not drying, but it's a little bit tacky. You know what I mean? So it's like, I can tell you guys that, I don't know, I'm not sure if this really is a mild cleanser. If you have sensitive skin, just try this like thrice a week or every other day. Just introduce this slowly into your skincare, especially if you've already bought the product and you don't want to waste it. So far, this one is not really positive. I'm expecting so much and I bought this one. I'm gonna try this product again when I don't have a lot of pimples, when it's my good face day, good skin, because as of now I'm breaking out. I'm just gonna give you guys an update through my comment down below. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a 4 out of 10. The video that you saw me washing my face and trying on the gel cleanser is actually taken after this video that I'm taking right now, because I don't want to remove my makeup and then put it on again. So now I'm gonna show you the other products that I bought, and tell me guys which one you want me to give a review on. Like, help me. We have Nature Republic Soothing and Moisture Aloe Vera, which is 92% of aloe vera, and I have used this before when I was still working as an engineer, and it's just so hot in the field, and this is really good in refreshing your skin. I do love this one. You just like spray. Well, let me just try this. That is so hydrating, and I really love the smell too. It's really refreshing. I have here Ionic Rose Galactomyces Essential Toner. This is also a really big bottle. This is 200 ml. We have here Clavu Pure Pulsation Divine Pearl Cleansing Oil. This is 150 ml. Sorry, I just... So here is the cleansing oil. Ooh, I really love this. I'm excited to try this one out, guys. And if there's anything that you see in this video that you want me to try on or you want me to give a review, please do comment it down below so I will know what to do. And I already have like plans on this, but still your suggestion might really help. And also we have that, and I bought here Centella Blemish Shampoo. I am going to give a review for this, like pretty sure. Probably a 30-day review. So please subscribe if you wanna see videos of me like giving a review for these products, guys. These are for people who have blemishes. We have here J1 Jelly Pack. This is concentrated multifunctional primer gel. I am very interested in this because this is primer, and it's not just a primer, it's also really, it says hydrating, firming, smoothing, so it's like a skincare and a cosmetic, so multi-use. That is really good. I forgot to show it to you guys. I love the bottle. It's really smooth. That's very interesting. That was everything. That completes this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, I'm inviting you to subscribe to see more of my videos, and also don't forget to like and comment. It would mean so much to me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.